As you can see, our raw material storage is meticulously organized. We handle thousands of these containers daily, all tracked digitally.
Our automated weighing machines precisely measure every ingredient. This ensures the consistent quality you expect from Colgate.
Here in the mixing hall, we carefully blend the humectants. This ensures the toothpaste has the perfect consistency and retains moisture.
As you can see on the screen, the temperature is holding precisely at 25 degrees Celsius. The blend consistency is perfect.
We are currently testing the viscosity and pH levels to ensure every batch meets the highest quality standards.
We use a high-density polyethylene, which is certified food grade. This ensures the safety and quality of the toothpaste inside.
We check the crimp and the batch number closely to maintain quality control before releasing the batch.
As you can see, the robotic arms handle the Colgate boxes with incredible precision, ensuring maximum efficiency on the line.
Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures that every step of the process, particularly the filling and sealing,
These pallets are all set for the overseas shipment, ensuring Colgate reaches our markets on schedule.
surveillance. Here at the Colgate facility, we prioritize international safety standards. This digital dashboard tracks real-time data.
As you can see, our state-of-the-art facility operates 24 hours a day, ensuring every tube meets the highest quality standards.
Fresh from our factory, the bright smile you trust. Colgate.